Rosie, you ready to go to the store?
No way.
What? You don't want to go to the store?
No way. No way, bitch.
You can bring your book.
No way.
We gotta go shopping for Halloween. Should we get some Halloween decorations? Yeah?
No.
No?
Mm.
Come on. I can't leave you here.
No way.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna go. Bye. Bye.
No.
Who is that?
Annie.
No. Who is that? Abby.
Bobby. Elmo.
Where's Elmo? That's Elmo's friend, Abby, right? Can you give her a hug?
Kiss.
Okay, give her a kiss.
Hug.
Okay, give her a hug. There you go.
And kiss.
Okay, give her a kiss. Can I have a kiss? Mwah.
And kiss.
Oh, you want me to
Abby.
give Abby a kiss? Okay. Mwah.
Hug.
And a hug? Okay. Hug.
Kiss. Kiss.
All right, you give her a kiss.
Hug.
All right, let's go to the
Hug.
store.
Just got back from shopping. We went to Walmart and Target. I just needed a few things. Bathroom supplies for the girls, shampoo, conditioner. I'll show you what I got. I also wanted to get just a couple of Halloween decorations. We have a box full of Halloween decor that I'm gonna get out today. Yeah. We have a box of Halloween decor that I'm gonna get out today, but I wanted to get a few like accent stuff and just see what was out there, so I got a few things. So I thought I would show you guys that quick and then have you along with me for a day of cleaning and getting ready to sort of amp up our fall decor for Halloween.
So for the girls, I just got this 3-in-1 conditioner, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And for conditioner,
Mama.
you want to talk to? Say hi. Here, show them this. What's that? Do you know what that's for?
Soap.
Soap? It's toothpaste for your teeth.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. That's for brushing your teeth. Okay, don't bite it. This is the mouthwash that Lila really likes. My Little Pony comes with a cup and a pump and it's super fancy. So I got her that. You want to see? Here you go. This is the conditioner that I got for Lila in the shower. She needs a little bit of extra conditioning help. And then for myself, I'm going to try the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. It's, yeah, frizzy, dry, unmanageable hair. That is definitely me. So I'm excited to try this. I just couldn't buy the tiny little bottle of my Shea Moisture conditioner for $10. For some reason, I was like, I just want to see if I can find something better than that, because this was like, I want to say like $5, and it's so much more. So we'll see if that works. We'll see. And then I also got this Dr. Teal's body wash, the lavender kind. Haven't tried this yet, but I do need a body wash. Since I was in that section, I found these, and I didn't realize how inexpensive this brand was. But these are both like $5. And so these are just some bath bombs to add some eucalyptus. Spearmint is one of my favorite scents, and lavender is my other favorite scent. So I figured get both. Toothpaste for the girls. And then I think we're on to, toilet wand. This, I have been trying to not buy one of these since we moved into our house because we didn't have one, and I was like, I don't need one, I can just clean the toilets with rags, which I have been, and I hate, and I feel like I just deserves this. So I got a toilet wand. So everything else I got is fall Halloween stuff, so I will show you that next. So I just got a few things from Walmart. I got 2 of these freaky fabrics. I just love this. I'm so excited to put this. I think I'll just show you guys really quick. I think my Piano is one of the things I'm the most excited to decorate for Halloween because it's almost like a spooky looking piano anyways. So I think this is gonna be fun, but I'm not doing that yet. I just wanted to show you what I got. So I got 2 of these freaky fabrics. They were like $2 or $3 each. And hopefully I can reuse them. They're not like the same material as like the fake spider webs, which I hate that material. I cannot do that. But this is a little bit, hopefully not as icky. And then I also got this giant spider web. This is just made out of like yarn. But I thought that would be fun, either inside or outside, not sure yet. And then a few little skulls to just kind of sprinkle around that spooky haunted house vibe. Okay, from Target, I got a couple of tea towels. I just thought this would be fun, super cute. So it looks like they're maybe technically bar towels, so maybe it's like a different shape than a tea towel. I don't know, but I got those. I got a couple of this, like, what is this official name? Raffia bundle. Okay, just like straw feeling like twine, like paper twine kind of thing. I thought it'd be cute to add a few Halloween accents throughout the house. And then, of course, I got our obligatory annual bag of candy corn, and I don't know if I have a dish for candy for Halloween. I'm sure I probably do, but I just saw this and thought it was too cute for a candy corn, so I got that from Target, and that was $5. And then I forgot about these. These are from Walmart. I got these cute jack-o'-lantern ones. I thought the girls could maybe decorate their room with these, and then I just love these for like the spooky vibe. I thought maybe on like mirrors and bathrooms and stuff and windows, just like here and there would be kind of fun. So we'll see. So that's everything I got.
Okay, so now I am moving on to cleaning and straightening up the living room and the spaces that I'm going to be decorating. As you can see, it is in pretty big need of a tidying up, so I like to do that anyways before I redecorate or anything, so I thought it'd be fun to try and film it. And here is a quick shot of the finished product, the finished room, all clean, and I thought I would throw in a few shots of my fall decor as it was before I decorated as well, so you can kind of see the before and the after, because I did put my fall decor up in September.
So I started digging into the Halloween boxes. I'm just laying everything out on the table over here. And I realized I could probably film a little bit of this. There's 2 boxes left. It's Halloween stuff. I think the bottom one is like only half full because there was a lot of fall stuff. But I know there's some Halloween stuff. Ooh, I'm so excited. So, oh, I wanted to show you. Found these at Goodwill. They're just like, actually it was St. Vinny's. Rooms in Bloom. Oh, it's a holiday collection. So this is like a Christmas. See, I thought Halloween instantly. But yeah, $2 for 2 of them. I thought that'd be fun decor. I knew I had candy dishes. What an idiot. These are our little fun light up. I think they light up, little jack-o'-lanterns. Yeah, woohoo. Another bigger light up guy. These are some DIYs that I made. Lila was so small. I want to get these out. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm feeling very emotional right now because these have been around for a long time. That's Lila's handprint. She's 8 now. And I wrote October 2013, so these have been around for 6 years, and wow, that's a long time. That is, yeah, October 2013, Lila would have not even been 2 yet. Really? Wow, that is crazy. So yeah, I made these with just canvases from Michael's most likely and acrylic paint, and that was just like a Halloween decoration that I made into a stamp. This I actually cut out of paper to make the faces, and then I think I was trying to do like a ghost thing, but didn't really work out. My hand was too weird, so I think I just left it like that, but that's so cute. I'm gonna have to make some more with the girls this year. It's another DIY project I did probably the same year, because I do remember blogging a lot that year and doing DIYs on my blog and stuff. So anyways, these are so cute. I think I have a couple more of these at least. I know I made a few, but I just made it with like felt, and I have no idea what's in there actually, but I think those are supposed to get hung up, so I'll have to do that in a second here. Gotta save these. I'm so impressed that I was able to keep those canvases nice for so long. That makes me happy. I hope I can keep it forever. I have tons of little knickknacks like this. I have them for Christmas. I have them for no occasion at all. Every occasion I can find them. I love this stuff. I know it's a little like old lady-ish of me, but they're so cute. I mean, I don't buy every single one I see, but like the cute ones, I buy those. Look at that. It's a witch with a jack-o'-lantern and a ghost and a crow. It's so cute, and a little teddy bear is gonna go trick-or-treating. Oh my gosh. Here's another cute one. Oh, she's sitting on a jack-o'-lantern. I just love this stuff. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is all, I don't even know what this all is. I thought this was all more knickknacks. It totally is. Oh my gosh. Oh, I haven't been in this stuff since we lived in our apartment. This is crazy. Oh.
Hi. Can I help you decorate?
Yeah, that's what I was waiting for.
Let's do this. Na 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 na. Woo!
Oh, I'm so glad you're excited. I was so excited for you to come home to help me. All right, take your shoes off. Hang up your coat. Put your backpack
Mom.
not on the floor.
Wait, but I have a sheet for student council.
Okay, cool. So I think we should take everything out of all the boxes and lay it out so we can see what we have.
But
And
this we
then-
shouldn't take out because it'd be too big on the
Well,
table.
it's already out on the table. No, we don't need to open it. Just want to see everything that we have so we know all our options.
And candy corn we can just eat.
Uh-huh.
So that's just a little
That's the
treat for
plan.
us.
Yes. Do you like candy corn?
Yeah.
Oh, you do?
I remember I didn't used to.
Yeah, I didn't think you
I
did.
hated it.
You do, though?
Well, could I try some?
Well, not right now, but yes.
I know.
Eventually. All right, let's get all the rest of the stuff out.
Like would go up to it and kind of like dangle it.
That could have been theirs then. I don't know, but
And I was only like 2 or 3.
yeah, where do
Say
you think
hello
that
to
should go?
Mr. Oh, okay. So I think that it should go on the door.
Really? I was thinking like in your room.
Oh yeah.
This is my other Goodwill or St. Vinny's find. No, this wasn't a St. Vinny's find. This was a TJ Maxx find. I got
You
this
already
at
showed
TJ
me that.
Maxx.
Remember? Oh no.
Yeah, but I'm showing the camera. See.
And this
Senior
is
Evil
really
Hero.
cool. We were really excited when we found this because there was barely anything there for Halloween.
Yeah.
And we got this like.
You weren't even with me, were you?
Well, I was excited when I saw you had it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, me too. I thought this was cute. I didn't buy much else for Halloween, just the little things I got today. And I bought this when I went fall shopping. So that is so cute. Good morning. Did you have a good nap? Yeah. Lila's home. You want to go see Lila? And help us decorate for Halloween?
Na, 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 na.
What's that, Rosie? Is that a skeleton?
Guy.
It's a guy. Yeah. Is that cool?
Mark.
Drink your milk. Oh, are you trying to share your milk? Oh, that's nice.
Oh, that's so good. Hi, Rosie. Hug.
Hug.
Where's my hug? Can I have a kiss? Yeah, I have the bus. Can I have a kiss?
All right, so we cleared off the top of the piano, and those are all real gourds that I want to incorporate back into it, but everything else I put away for now. I might get the fall stuff out again later, but for now I put it away, and now I'm going to try this crazy one of these that we took out of the package. Yeah, it's kind of like a web. I'm going to try putting that on top, so we'll see how that goes.
So I decided to have Lila hold the camera while I put up this web thingy on top of the piano. And as you can see, she maybe needs a little bit more practice, but that's okay. I thought it was cute, and I thought I'd include it in the vlog anyways. So I ended up going with just kind of a hodgepodge of the gourds and all of the other Halloween decor. I did put the candles right in the middle of the piano. I kind of wished I had like a really tall black candelabra to decorate the piano with. I think that would look really cool, so that will go on my list for next year. But here is everything that I put up for Halloween and how I sort of integrated my Halloween decor into my fall decor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming and editing it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye, guys.